Welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we'll guess the famous movies by emoji. We prepared 40 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you'll get 1 point. Let's see how many versions you can guess correctly. It's gonna be fun. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel. And 3, 2, 1, let's get started. Can you guess this first movie? First point for you, it's Wonka. What movie are these emojis about? Yes, Ruby Gillman, Teenage Kraken. Oh, it's so simple. Do you know which movie? The Super Mario Bros. A wonderful movie. Do you have any ideas? Bravo, good idea. It's Elemental. Would you rather spend your vacation in the Mushroom Kingdom or in Element City? Hey guys, where would you rather relax? Please leave a comment. Come on guys, let's move on to the next movie. Very simple, right? It's Wednesday. I'm sure you know this movie. It's very famous. Oh yeah, it's Frozen. I really like Elsa. Which movie's this? Yup, Wish is the correct answer. Guess your favorite movie by emoji. Wow, you're great! It's Zootopia. Very interesting. So can you find the odd emoji? Have you found it yet? Let's continue. Which movie are these emojis from? So good! That's the movie Spider-Man. What's the name of this movie? Well done! It's Five Nights at Freddy's. Which movie do you guess? That's right, it's Sonic the Hedgehog. How about this movie? Awesome, Puss in Boots is right. Between Sonic versus Puss in Boots, which dancer do you think is better? Sonic or Puss in Boots is better at dancing? Leave your answer in the comments to let us know. Can you guess this movie? I hope you figured out the movie, Moana. Which movie's this? Right, this movie's Encanto. How many of you have seen this movie? Of course, Miraculous Ladybug. What about this movie? Great, that's the Little Mermaid. Hey guys, please remember the positions of these 6 characters. Okay, now tell me what number's Ariel. Wonderful! Ariel's at number 4. You've got 1 more point. Let's continue with these emojis. Oh yeah, my answer's Barbie. And you? Find the name of this movie. Good job! Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Are you a fan of this movie? Yes, Tangled, a movie that I really like. Next, oh, so easy. What do you think is the movie? So amazing! It's Aladdin. Rapunzel versus Jasmine. Which princess do you think sings better?
Brush and brush and brush and brush my hair, stuck in the same blue. But when I'm way up here, it's crystal clear.
Please let me know your opinion in the comment section. You did very well. Let's move on to the next movie. Yes, good idea. It's Sing. Which movie's this? That's for sure. It's Megan. What's the title of this movie? Great job! The answer is the Minions. Do you like this movie? What's its name? Yes, well done! That's Beauty and the Beast. Can you tell me which voice belongs to Belle?
Well, tomorrow evening, they will light the night sky with these...
Thank you. Only I don't dance.
Oh.
But my sister does.
I've never seen so many books in all my life.
You like it?
It's what?
Good job! The correct answer is C. The next movie, what's its name? Fantastic! The answer is Black Panther. Guess your favorite movie by Emoji. My answer's Brave. And you? Oh, it's so simple. Do you know which movie? Kung Fu Panda? That's exactly it. Which movie's this? Awesome! It's Princess and the Frog. Be quick to find the odd emoji. 10 seconds to start. Great, that's Princess Tiana in the second row. Let's continue. Which movie are these emojis from? Of course, the answer's Toy Story. Do you like this movie? What's its name? It's true, Finding Nemo. You're amazing! Which movie's this? Well done! It's Ratatouille. Do you have any ideas? I like your idea. It's The Hunger Games. Can you guess which movie this is? What do you think the movie is? Please leave your answer in the comments to let us know. How many movies can you guess correctly in today's video? Please share with us your score in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Factory channel for more fun challenges like this, and see you in the next video.